on a little walk. We're
on a little walk. We're on a little walk. Look, there's a forest.
It's not a forest. I don't know what the fuck that is, actually.
Is it a woods?
I know it'd be a lot of deers over there. Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
But we can see where we're going. They rock, paper, scissors for the drink.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
If only I could, I'd make a deal with God. Been running up that road, been running up that hill, been running up that building.
Fade. Yeah, so I'm just glad to tell you, like, it's not a waste of money. I'm just getting it out of my car. You just hold it like this. You can see it. You know what I'm saying? What are you two?
Who opened the door?
It's your boy Fader.
Ah! It was Grandma!
How you didn't see me?
Grandma, how are you here? I just saw you!
Nah, I don't believe it.
I thought you were about to chase me and stuff.
I didn't chase you and nothing. Glad you got Joe.
Thank you. That's true.
Jamari, why would you just sucking that milk out that bowl like that?
No, I did that.
How did you do it?
No, me like this. I did like this. You mean like this? I put my face in there and then my chin keeps. I'm putting that in the milk.
How did you do it?
Me, that's Grandma. I could just do this.
Let me see how you did it.
Look, this Grandma. Look, so use the spoon.
You didn't even use the spoon.
I did. Like that.
Jamari said.
No, I was like this.
No,
Just
you
like
put.
a dog and a cat. Oh! Wait, cats like fish and cat food. Dogs like dog food.
And chicken. What's up, Glam Squad? It's your girl, Glamour Teresa here, and I'm back again with another video, and guess what it's about? Y'all want to guess what this video is about?
Walking all the way to Dora's house.
No, we're not walking to Dora's house. It's about nothing. We just decided to take a walk. I did tell them we was walking to their Auntie Dora's house, but it's way too far, honey. No, we just walking. Look, y'all. It's Hannah.
Anna.
What you doing coming through here? We just saw Hannah Banana. Yes, sir. All right, come over here, y'all. I told y'all I walk on the street side. Y'all walk on the other side. But anyways, we decided to just go for a small little walk. LJ think we walking to his Auntie Dora's house, but we are not. And
We're just having a walk.
we're just having a walk. And anything you want to say?
Like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment.
Oh, okay, that'll work. What about you? You want to say hi, hello, nothing?
Hi.
Jamari said hi.
Hi.
All right, y'all. So we on a little walk. Walk.
Yeah.
We on a little walk. Walk.
We're walking
We want to
right
go
by
to the
the
park.
river.
We probably gonna see Hannah again, huh?
Yeah. Hey, where's out?
Hey, I
Ow,
walk
you
on the
just
street.
kicked
Y'all
me.
walk over there. Come on, be nice.
Yay.
We on a little walk.
We're on a little walk. We're on a little walk. Look, there's a forest.
It's not a forest. I don't know what the fuck that is, actually.
Is it a woods?
I know it'd be a lot of deers over there. Into the thick of it.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
But we can see where we're going.
Into the thick of it.
Run.
I want to take a rock. I got a teeny tiny. Can I have it? I got a teeny tiny rock. Look, guys, I have a teeny tiny rock. I hope I'll find and the biggest rock of all. I heard we're just having a walk.
LJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought it'd be a nice day to walk. Walk some handy food, got some snacks.
But it's raining.
It started raining. So
Look at the top.
it's a little drizzle, so I called Q and told him to come and get us. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, we might need an umbrella.
we need a car.
Yeah.
What you think, Jamari? What you think?
Oh, we found shakes.
LJ got him an orange soda. This one got Mountain Dew, and I got this.
Yep. I got Sunkist.
And I got Mountain Dew.
And I got whatever they
So
drink.
that's why Sunkist versus.
All right, see y'all once Kiwi come and get us. I guess
Bye bye.
we'll go get something to eat here.
Bye.
So much for going for a walk. So we got to Handy Foods. As we left, it started raining. We had to have Q come pick us up. So we're in the car. Me, LJ, and Jamari. Buckle up, y'all. We gotta run to Dora's house. And then we're just gonna go get something to eat. I don't feel like cooking. Once again. So what a bag? Put it in the bag, yeah. So what do y'all want to eat?
Culvers.
You want cheese Culvers?
Yeah.
Alright. Sit back, Jamari. Put your seatbelt on.
And grilled cheese.
Do you have your seatbelt on, LJ? No, you don't. Put it on. Culvers sells. He wants cheese curds from Culvers. He said I want cheese curds and Culvers. Alright, so just want to let y'all know what we're doing. And who knows, maybe we'll sit down and share our meal with y'all. Alright. Alright.
Actually, I will say a comment.
You don't have to always say listen, LJ. If you want to talk to the people on YouTube, you can talk to them. You don't have to always say like, subscribe, and comment. That's good. I love for you to say that. But if you just want to tell them how you doing, tell them about your day. You want to tell them about the continent. You want to tell them about planets. You do that. You want to talk to them, just talk to them about. You want to do math with them, do math with them. Here, LJ want to talk to y'all. Maybe he want to talk math.
Yeah.
Maybe he want to do times
I have
tables.
the phone, so
Let's
I
see if he
can,
wants the phone. Maybe he want to talk about the continent. Maybe he want to name them all. Let's see. Hold on. You don't here.
Leave a comment. If you know all of the
Glam spot.
Continent.
no continent. Yeah. Stop it.
Well, maybe let's pretend they don't know. How about you tell them the continent? Tell them
Yeah.
about them.
Yeah.
Name them.
The answer.
Name the continents, LJ.
North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia.
That's it. Do the continents.
Oh, and Antarctica.
Okay. You always forget about
Stop it.
Pluto and Antarctica. Anything else you want to talk about? Tell them your timetable. Teach somebody. Teach them your timetable, LJ. What the phone?
Jamari, that's it.
Jamari, are you talking on the phone?
Yeah, I'm just I'm figuring out what I was gonna say.
Well, give LJ the phone so you figure out what you're going to say. The timetables, LJ?
No.
All right, well, give me my phone back.
Wait. I gotta figure it out.
Well, give it here so you figure it out. When you figure it out, I'll give you the phone back.
Okay, I figured it out.
What you gonna say? No. Tell me what you're gonna say. Jamari has something he wanna say. You got it. Talk about it.
My name's Jamari, and I know plus and minus. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 3 plus 3, 6, and 10 plus 10, 20.
Wait, 10 plus 10.
Good job.
And now time for minus.
A few moments later.
And then you're gonna tell them
Oh,
about.
you messed me up. Now we're gonna do minus. 1 minus 1 equals 0.
Yeah, good job.
What's
And-
what's 1 minus 1?
Grandma, cover your ears.
Why?
We know that you're gonna have a talk.
I gotta cover my ears because Elder and Jamari having a talk.
Cover your ears, Grandma.
I am.
Tell them to cover their ears.
Okay, everybody, if you're listening, cover your ears.
Yo! Okay, tell them to open their ears now.
Okay, open your ears now.
Oh!
Anyway, we decided to go to Culvers to get a family-size cheese curd.
Grandma, I want to sit in the middle.
Okay. With Jamari, 2 chicken tenders. Ask your daddy to get you a paper plate.
Daddy, give me a paper plate.
You playing sleep. And me a butter burger. Who want french fries?
Not me.
Y'all do you want fries?
No.
Okay. We'll get to eating. Mm-mm.
What? Why don't we say hello, guys?
Go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome to another video.
Oh, not this again.
We about to eat Culvers today.
Not this
So,
Why we eating Culvers?
yeah, Grandma has a sandwich with is that tomatoes?
Hamburger.
Yeah, this is a hamburger.
With lettuce, tomato.
Show it to everyone.
Lettuce, tomato. I got a single. I did not want a double. Lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion,
Yeah, I don't like pickles
ketchup.
or onions.
Mm,
What does it taste?
it's delicious. And it's well done, of course.
Yeah. Yeah, so do you wanna
This
So-
is cool, huh?
so do you wanna subscribe?
No, not this again.
Oh, and I got a strawberry cooler.
Not this again.
Yep.
Uh-oh, not this again.
And I also got a drink.
Why didn't I get no drink?
You had a drink.
I drank my own.
Exactly.
So what is that?
Sierra Mist. You had one too. You drank yours.
What did it say? What did it say this was?
That's a Sierra Mist. It's like drinking a Sprite. Taste it.
Okie dokie. It better taste good.
It's good. I don't know about the better part.
I'm 10 out of 10.
Yeah. What you rank it?
It's not 10 out of 10.
It's good.
Thousand of a thousand.
It feels like
That means
100 million.
Here, take a...
Out of 100 million.
No, 10 out of 10. Best out of
I
10.
jumped it already.
Taste this, LJ.
Okay.
You taste it.
I drank it already.
When?
I was in the car.
Here.
I was about to taste it.
We had strawberry.
10 out of 10.
That's not 10 out of 10.
Oh, I forgot right.
That's 1,000 out of 10.
There's no such thing.
Strawberry cooler. Strawberry lemonade.
I don't care.
Dang, Jamari, you really hungry, huh? LJ.
Yeah.
Jamari, what's 2 plus 2?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I'm not 5.
You ain't right. LJ.
But I know what's 100 plus
Rock,
100.
paper,
What is
scissors. 200. Rock, paper, scissors to taste this.
It's mine. I'm gonna taste it anyway.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it. I'm to taste this.
So do you get to taste it or him?
It's mine, because he won.
You're nasty.
1,000 out of 10. That means a little bit good.
Now, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Is this for another
Rock,
drink?
paper, scissors, shoot.
They rock, paper, scissors for the drink.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait.
Ow. Oh, wait, no.
LJ.
A million out of a million. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
I'm done.
I want to do it.
Let me taste the cheese tart. Well, let me add one. I know what they taste like.
I love this.
So when we get done eating,
Ooh, I love this.
Then we're about to say like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, God.
no, when I get done eating, I'm going to bed. I got to work.
Grandma.
Grandson.
Grandma.
Right.
I love adding cheese curds and putting the ranch and chicken.
Me and ranch and ketchup.
But I just said ranch and chicken. What? Why are you taking my cheese curd?
We just got done watching a 21-year-old movie. Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius.
Look at it. Look at it.
Sit down, Jamari. Eat your food, grandson. I want to be done so I go to bed.
You will be in the
It's not
video.
time yet.
Yeah, I could be in the video.
You're tired, then you're not in the video.
I was just asking y'all if y'all want to go to the zoo.
Yeah.
And then I asked what animal y'all want to see at the zoo. You told me you want to see a damn buffalo, right?
No, I already seen one.
Yeah, at Buffalo
When I
Rock.
had a purple eye.
He called pink eye, purple eye. Yeah, when you had the purple eye, it was at Buffalo Rock. LJ,
Yeah.
what animal do you want to see at the zoo, man?
I wanted to see at the zoo a
Tiger. I want to
Tiger.
see a seal. Actually,
Me?
No, Grandma.
What's that?
Dolphin?
Yeah.
Point at
I
me.
smell a dolphin show.
You just
No,
point
you
at
want
me.
to point like this.
No, you didn't.
You point like this.
I could see you.
LJ,
Yeah.
I could see you from the back.
y'all ready to go back to school?
What? Wait, what time? August? Huh?
Yeah, August.
Yeah. Yeah, what's today?
July.
July 1st.
It's not July 1st.
July 2nd. Daddy!
Shut up!
Is it, wait, July what? July what?
Hey, Mom,
Nope.
you ain't recording no more.
We are recording that means sit down, sit down. Everybody tell you no, your dad, no remote.
Grab me the remote.
Look at me, stop doing that.
Copyright infringement, dude. Why you smacking his girl? You so gross. Oh, come over here, Lamar. Oh. Lamar want to eat, but he don't want to be in the video. Because LJ show not eating.
That's what you did.
Okay, there you go, y'all. They can't just eat their food. What Kiwi got on his socks?
Hey, can you do a magic for opening the cup? Oh!
There's cups. Those are cups.
Cup.
Cups on your side.
I'm opening the cup like this.
Hey guys, come finish eating.
Like I saw in TikTok.
No, the guy put his... The guy took his socks off and put it on his hand.
On his hand, why? This is a TikTok video?
Yeah.
You want to make a TikTok video?
No.
Yeah, I do.
Talk to Jamari. What TikTok video you want to do, LJ?
A magic. A magic. Opening cup like this.
Ew.
It's like this. Like five.
Let it go. And you're going to open something up.
Uh-huh. I'm back. I can tell.
LJ's back.
What the heck?
I'm not done, y'all. I ate the whole burger, too. Why y'all be playing like that? They play smacking in each other. Yeah. No, LJ, eat.
Stop! When you just, I thought you were. Chunk of milk out of you.
I'm done.
Oh no. Put the fries out of here. Ah! What the?
Oh, yeah.
strawberry. Pineapples, pineapples, pineapples. Okay. How many cheese curds you got in your mouth? About here?
20.
No. 10.
About 11,000.
10,300.
$100 million.
Million?
100 octillion. Do you remember octillion?
Infinity.
Infinity.
You got us with that one.
Earth.
Destroy.
Stop! I didn't do it! Are you trying to take my armpits?
No.
You can't take them. Then why are you digging my armpit?
Yeah, why you digging this?
He's not, I think he's trying to kiss my armpits.
Who else?
Stop!
I tickled your feet.
Oh. Ow. Who smacked you?
Oh.
Daddy smacked you. The last night
I pinched you.
No! I will. If you don't have a green shirt, I will pinch you.
I have a green shirt. Let's see yours. You don't.
Ow!
Wait.
Oh,
You have green?
That's not green, that's gray.
Oh.
That was a color black.
Then pinch.
that doesn't hurt.
What does my shirt say?
Boss babe.
LJ, move!
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Boss.
Emma, you didn't kiss Oscar.
What? Y'all got my pop? Y'all had y'all own drink and you took my pop. So I need something for myself. There's nothing else in
The
here.
word for how I'm feeling.
What does mine say?
Nike leader in America.
Ooh,
What's mine says?
I can't read this. Oh wait, I can't.
Mine says boss babe. It's a noun. A confident woman in charge of her own life who
Who
doesn't apologize
for
for being
her.
her authentic self.
Whoa.
Whoa, LJ.
I don't read her.
Are y'all done eating?
It says game.
He just told you what it said. Hold on. Take your time.
Game and a pizza
okay.
lover.
LJ really
Where's
is
the
a game and a
family?
pizza. He's a game and a pizza lover. Lover. Mr. Lover Lover.
Come on.
Are y'all done?
No, I'm not done yet.
Oh my god. One piece of cheese fudge and then I'm done. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. What he said. What he said. I'm tired. I really am. Took my
Hi.
hair down, washed it.
Hi.
But it's-
I'm over here.
LJ, get over here and eat your food.
I'm done.
Are you done?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, they're done eating. I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm ready to wash up, go to sleep. So,
And make sure
if you will, like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you will.
yeah, and leave an Instagram on Lama Chorizo.
That's what he said. What he said. You got something you want to say? Alright.
Like,
If
comment.
they have nothing else to say, then we're going to be
Not
out of here.
again.
Peace.
Oh no,
We're
not
gonna
again.
say like,
Not
comment,
again.
and subscribe all together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like, comment, and subscribe.